Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Google Chrome finally has the vertical tabs feature and you can use it your existing version. To enable it, right-click on the tabs area and click on Show Tabs Vertically. As you can see, the vertical tab is displayed like this. Let's see how to enable this. Click on the three dots in the top right corner. Then go to More Tools and you will see the Show Tabs Vertically option. To disable it, right-click on the side panel and click on Show Tabs Horizontally. If this option isn't available in your version, follow these steps to enable it. Open the flag settings in a new tab. Now search for Vertical Tabs. Then click the drop-down in the right corner and enable it. After doing this, please restart your Chrome browser and you will see the option. If this does not work for you, please leave a comment. And that's all for today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos.